Hi, welcome back to the series of videos on how to systemize your business. Let's just recap quickly on what we've covered, and then we can discuss how to continue to systemize your business and all the benefits that will bring you. So first of all, we created a list of your key business components. You built the list of components that are common to all businesses first, and then you completed the list by including the ones that are specific to your particular business. Then we took a couple of examples of these components and compiled the lists of all the individual detailed systems or functions that work together to enable your total business to function. We worked on the staff set that follows a process sequence, and then we worked on the administration set, which is more diversified. Now you have the tools to compile these lists for the rest of your business components as well, if you haven't had a chance to do this already. This total list is really valuable. Obviously it's a checklist for the procedures that you have to develop, but it has lots of other uses. For example, every system on that list must appear on someone's job description to ensure that there's responsibility for each task. So where are we up to now? We know that creating a business that runs to a formula is your best shot at getting the most efficient and profitable business you can. This is because it leads to thinking carefully about the best way of doing every little aspect that your business does. Applying this thinking is what gets the best businesses. Sure, they evolve over time, but generally the way your business does each little task will evolve to even better ways of doing them as you and your team start thinking about them in the correct framework and have more time to figure out smarter ways of getting the same or better results. Another saying that goes hand in hand with systemize your business is working smarter rather than harder, and now you're starting to do that, and systemsforbusiness.com.au will help you to continue to achieve that. Which leads us to an interesting point. Hopefully by now you've had a glimpse of how your business could take a leap forward if you put this thinking in place. And that's what Systems for Business is built around. You need an easy way to develop the operating systems and keep them accessible to all your staff. We have only dealt with a couple of the systems here, but you can already see that they link to getting all your staff management stuff right and building your procedures that turn into a full staff training and development system that makes it so much easier as you take on future staff. Imagine the benefits you get when you start applying this type of process to your marketing or to your sales process, and how much better informed you'll be when we talk about financial modeling and getting reports on exactly how your business is doing. So what you can see here is a glimpse into the future, and if you can see that, no doubt it's giving you some keenness to continue. But there's generally one thing that derails the best intentions of many businesses to do so, and that's why you need to use a process like systemsforbusiness.com.au. You see, it's just too easy to see a good concept and think, I'll do that when I get a few minutes. Well, those few minutes are never going to come because you'll remain dominated by your business and the way it currently runs. You need to take a stand and do something different. More of the same behavior is going to get you the same results, and what you're looking for here is some different results. So we've overcome a few of the key issues that you might be considering, and obviously the first one is cash. When we designed Systems for Business, we set it up online so we could offer it at a price that all small businesses could easily afford. That way it's never a reason not to get your business into better shape. Actually, we're always open about our pricing because it's just a no-brainer when you start actually talking about this in relation to the payoff of what it delivers to businesses. And there's another element here too. It's your time. Look, it's a very finite and valuable resource. You've only got one life, and the aim is to enjoy it as much as possible. You see, we've no doubt that you could spend hours thinking about the ways to systemize your business. You're quite capable, after all. I mean, you've created the business in the first place. But we do this all the time, so we take the best elements out of building these processes and give you the access to that thinking, so you can apply it to your business. So using Systems for Business gives you a giant head start. You simply don't have time to waste. You need all the shortcuts you can get because you benefit by using more of that time to think of better ways to interact with your clients, doing smarter marketing, develop better products, and do all the other stuff that actually increase your business sales, your margin, your profit. And that's where the best use of your time is, not in developing the systems. So what are the most productive and beneficial steps for you to take right now? Well, the first is to finish the function lists for each component of your business. If you haven't done this already, just take some time to finish off that 10 or 12 set of lists that you've been working on. The next one is that you might like to hold a brainstorming with these lists with your staff and see if you've overlooked any. You see, your staff are close to the action in a lot of cases, and they can add things that you may not have thought of on the way through. The third thing to do is apply the contents of your list, and you do this by incorporating them into the online procedures manual module within systemsforbusiness.com.au. So you can go to that website, have a look around, and then start putting those into the online procedures manual. And what that leads to is developing a whole series of business systems for all parts of your business. So if you've got this far and you've seen all the videos and stuck by the process, then we'd like to say thanks. After watching this video, just click on the link below and enter the password "Let Me In." We'll give you access to the site for a free trial period. Just put in your details and use the site for free. Now if you don't get what you're looking for, that's fine. Just let us know before the end of the trial period and you won't be charged anything. But if you stay, that's better of course, and you'll get all the benefits of systemizing your business and go onto our normal billing system. So why this offer is so special is because what we're going to do is set up a specific online space just for your business. It's your very own custom online systems development area. Now usually people coming into the website pay for this, but because you've been through all of the videos and you understand the benefits of systemizing your business, we think we're on a safe bet by taking the time to set up the space for you, because you understand the benefits to be gained by systemizing your particular business. So when the video finishes, click on the link below and you can start straight away by systemizing your business and reaping the rewards of getting more profit with less stress. Thanks for watching the video series.